Breaking news: Obaseki's UI certificate not forged. My people, is happening. Oh, Happy New Year to every one of you. We all know that Governor Godwin Obaseki was to have a cross-sectional examination of all the certificates he brought in today. They as well brought in a forensic expert to determine if the results, the certificate he presented were false or real. We know that there's been an ongoing battle with the APC, the All Progressive Congress, who said Obaseki's certificates were forged, and as a result, INEC should cancel his application for the election in which he won September 11. My people, something is happening. Come and get all the details. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. God bless you. Obaseki's witnesses said the UI certificate not forged. Mr. Abayomi Ajayi, the Deputy Registrar, Legal Ledger of the University of Ibadan, may have knocked the bottom off the All Progressive Congress forged certificate case instituted against Governor Godwin Obaseki. Ajayi took the witness stand today and told the Federal High Court, Abuja, that the fact that some parts of Obaseki's original degree certificate were missing in the photocopy he attached to his INEC form EC9 and 001 did not amount to forgery. The witness, who was led in evidence by Mr. Ken Mosaic-San, Obaseki's counsel, explained that the Obaseki photocopy was incomplete due to the process of photocopy. The witness also told the court that the university was not dealing with his allegation for the first time, as the Minister of State for Education has once brought the issue before the institution. He maintained that from the record of the university, Obaseki was admitted as student in 1976 through direct entry, and that he graduated in the year 1979 during the tenure of Professor Takana Tamio as Vice Chancellor and S.J. Okafor as Registrar. I will not regard the photocopy of the original certificate as forged, but incomplete photocopying, because the certificate of the University of Ibadan is larger than the paper upon which the photocopy was made, Ajayi submitted. He then went ahead to tender photocopies of various sizes of papers, their outcome when the original was not reduced. Other documents he tendered to prove that Obaseki was a product of the university include relevant pages of the Congress of Admission to Degree, award of diplomas and certificates, and 31st Foundation Day ceremony in September 1979, Obaseki application, among others. The authorities of the University of Ibadan, then in June last year, before a federal high court in Benin, cleared Obaseki of similar forgery allegation. The institution said that Obaseki graduated from them and was accordingly awarded the degree of Certificate of Bachelor of Arts in Classic Study in 1979. Ajayi gave the evidence as Obaseki opened his defense. He was Obaseki's first witness. The second witness, Mr. Charity Agboshowa, chairman of the Edo State Law Reform Commission, tendered the original of Obaseki's certificate, including the disputed BA Art degree in Classic Study. The witness, who claimed to be a close associate of Obaseki, informed the court that he made the said included photocopy that Obaseki attached to his nomination form and that he submitted to INEC. He added that part of the photocopy attached to form EC9 were cut off because of the largeness of the original certificate. He also tendered the primary school certificate obtained by Obaseki in 1971 school certificate obtained in 1973, and higher school certificate obtained in 1976. Other documents were the University of Ibadan degree certificate obtained in 1979, among master's degree certificate from Pace University obtained by Obaseki as his educational qualification. All the certificates which were original copy were admitted as exhibit by the trial judge. Under cross-examination, the witness insisted that the photocopy of the degree certificate, which had the signature of the university chief registrar, the date of issue of the certificate, and the name of the vice chancellor, did not make the photocopy forged documents whatsoever. The All Progressive Congress and one of his chieftain, Mr. William Edobo, dragged Obaseki to court for alleged forging his university certificate, which he submitted to INEC to aid his qualification for the September 19, 2020 governorship election in Edo State. The plaintiff wanted the court to disqualify Obaseki, who won the election, in the event that he was found to have forged his university degree obtained from the University of Ibadan in 1979. As it stands, there have been clarification that the certificates were not forged. Further judgment as cross-examination today has gone on will continue. So my people, there you have it. Today, the court has Obaseki witnesses has taken to the stand and has looked at all the certificates to say that they were not forged, and they try to present to the court why they said the results were not forged, the person who made the photocopy and what have you, all has been presented to court today. So this is the matter. That's where we are at the moment. Governor Gordon Obaseki, on the 11th again is another date where the court case continues. I'll be hearing more with regards to this case that has been stated against him by the APC, that's the All Progressive Congress, all in a bid, an attempt to try and disqualify him from the said election so that, the runner-up, which is Ize-Iyamu, could become the governor. But as it stands, the chances of that look slim as it stands. But we'll wait and watch what will the eventual play out of things. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.